In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in the new Microsoft Outlook. We'll walk through the core ways to add attachments so you can choose the one that fits your workflow, whether you're on the desktop app, the web, or the mobile app. Start by creating a message. Click New Mail or New Email from the top left area of Outlook. Add your recipient and a clear subject. This sets up your Compose window and makes it easier to keep track of your attachments as you add them. To attach from your computer, look in the Compose window for the Message tab and select the paperclip icon labeled Attach File. Choose Browse this PC if the file is on your device, or pick Recent Items if it's something you work on lately. Navigate to your file, select it, and click Open. If you need multiple files, hold the Control key while selecting them, then click Open once. You'll see your attachments appear just under the subject line. If you want to share through the cloud instead, use the small arrow on the attachment to upload it to OneDrive. This is helpful for large files and lets others access the latest version. You can also drag and drop. Open File Explorer, locate your file, then drag it straight into the email body or the attachment area. When prompted, choose Attach as Copy if you want to send a static file, or Upload to OneDrive if you want to send a link that's easy to update and share. If your file already lives in OneDrive or another cloud location, click Attach File again and select Browse Cloud Locations or OneDrive. Pick your file or even a folder, then choose Next and Share as OneDrive link. This sends a link instead of a full file. If you're sharing a folder, you can fine-tune who can do what by opening Manage Access to set permissions like View or Edit. That way, your recipients get exactly the right level of access. Before sending, glance over your attachments to confirm the correct files are included and in the format you want. Add your message content, make sure the recipients and subject look good, and then click Send. Your files, whether attached as copies or shared via OneDrive links, will go out with the email. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.